Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mindset. Ever wonder how traders predict market moves without all the confusing indicators? It's called price action, one of the most powerful tools in trading. Today I'm going to break it down for you in 2 minutes. So what is price action? It's pretty simple. It's the study of price movement on a chart. Instead of relying on technical indicators like RSI or MACD, traders who focus on price action look directly at the movement of price itself. You've probably seen these colorful bars called candlesticks. They show how price moved over a specific time period, up, down, and everything in between. Each candlestick tells you four things: the open, high, low, and close prices. Green means the price went up, and red means it went down. But here's where it gets interesting. Price action traders also use concepts like support and resistance. These are levels where price has a hard time moving past, kind of like invisible walls. If price hits these levels multiple times, it could mean the market's about to reverse. When the price bounces off a support or breaks through resistance, that's a signal to traders. It might be time to buy or sell. Another key concept is trends. Price action traders look for patterns in the market, like uptrends and downtrends. It's all about figuring out where the market's headed next. Patterns like triangles, flags, and head and shoulders give traders clues on what might happen next. It's like putting together a puzzle, but instead of guessing, you're following price. So why should you care about price action? It's one of the purest ways to understand the market. No lagging indicators, no complicated formulas, just you, the price, and the chart. If you want to trade smarter, price action is a skill you need to learn. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on mastering the market with the money mindset. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to know more basic videos related to stock market, it'll be shown on your screen.